Imagine breezing through a trip where every task is handled, every language understood, and every moment optimized, all thanks to AI. Sound too good to be true? Stick around, because today, we're diving into 7 powerful ways AI can keep you productive while traveling, plus a bonus tip at the end that might just blow your mind. Ready to supercharge your travels? Let's go! Kicking off the countdown at number 7, master itinerary planning with AI. AI-powered apps like Google Travel or TripIt can organize all your travel details into one tidy itinerary. From flights and hotel bookings to dinner reservations, these apps automatically sync details from your email and lay it all out in an easy-to-navigate format. Picture this. You're dashing to your gate, and instead of rifling through emails, you pull up an app that shows everything. Your gate, boarding time, and even a suggestion for the best coffee spot nearby. These apps often integrate with calendar tools, so you'll get alerts for check-in times or delays. It's like having a travel-savvy assistant who never sleeps. Spotty Wi-Fi? Download your itinerary for offline access so you're never caught off guard. And if you're traveling in a group, consider using the shared itinerary features to keep everyone on the same page. When chaos looms, AI keeps your plans crystal clear. Number 6, break language barriers with AI translators. Tools like Google Translate and iTranslate make communication seamless, even if you don't speak a word of the local language. Many now offer real-time voice translation and offline capabilities. Ordering ramen in Tokyo? Just speak into your phone and it translates your request instantly. It can even scan menus for you because, surprise, Squid isn't everyone's idea of adventure. Download the language pack of your destination in advance. Offline functionality can save the day when you're deep in the Alps with zero signal. However, translations can sometimes miss cultural nuances. For example, a phrase that's perfectly polite in one language might come across as abrupt in another. A quick Google search or asking locals for context can save you some awkward moments. AI bridges the gap between you and the world, one phrase at a time. ChatGPT is another overlooked app for translation that can correct for cultural nuances and even slang. Number 5, optimize travel routes with navigation AI. Navigating unfamiliar cities is a breeze with apps like Google Maps or Waze. These tools use AI to analyze real-time data, giving you the fastest routes and live updates. On a tight schedule in Rome, Google Maps not only finds the fastest route, but also suggests nearby attractions you can squeeze in, like a gelato shop just 2 minutes away. Use the Explore feature for hidden gems, like that lesser-known viewpoint of the Eiffel Tower or a quiet park for a midday breather. And if you're planning a walking tour, consider customizing your map with pinned stops for an efficient journey. Battery running low? Save your key destinations offline to stay on track without draining your phone. Also, look out for features like wheelchair-accessible routes if you or someone in your group needs them. With AI, you'll spend less time lost and more time exploring. Coming in at number 4. Automate tedious tasks with ChatGPT. Need an email drafted or a social media post written? ChatGPT can handle it while you sip your latte in Paris. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Example, drafting a thank you email to a tour operator? Tell ChatGPT the details and voila, a polished email in seconds. Or ask it to generate a witty Instagram caption for that iconic sunset shot. Pro tip, use prompts strategically. Be specific about your tone and audience for better result. Think professional for emails or lighthearted for captions. Challenge, remember to proofread. AI isn't perfect and may not pick up on nuances you want to convey. Also, keep sensitive information private. AI tools don't need your passport number. To summarize, AI turns the mundane into magic, freeing up your time for more adventures. Number 3, stay organized with digital note-taking tools. Apps like Evernote or Notion keep your thoughts, plans, and to-dos in one place. Use AI-powered search to quickly find what you need. Example, jot down inspiration for your travel blog while sitting at a cafe, then let AI tag and organize everything, or use it to save digital copies of important documents like your passport or travel insurance. Pro tip, create templates for recurring tasks, packing lists, daily itineraries, or even expense trackers. This way, you're ready to go with a single click. And don't forget to share notebooks with travel companions for seamless collaboration. Challenge, overwhelmed by features? Stick to basics. Use a single notebook for your trip and categorize later. For quick access, use tagging systems or AI-powered smart suggestions. Conclusion: organization is the secret sauce to productivity, and AI spices it up. At number 2, manage expenses with AI-powered budgeting tools. Tracking expenses on the go? Apps like Trail Wallet and Expensify use AI to categorize purchases and keep you within budget. For example, snap a photo of a restaurant receipt, and the app logs the amount category and even converts it to your home currency. Perfect for when you're juggling multiple currencies. Pro tip: set up spending limits within the app, and it'll notify you if you're nearing your budget. Think of it as your financial conscience, minus the guilt. And if you're sharing costs with travel buddies, apps like Splitwise simplify expense splitting. Challenge: apps may not always recognize foreign currencies correctly. Double-check entries to ensure accuracy, and remember to enable notifications for real-time updates on expenses. AI simplifies budgeting, letting you focus on experiences instead of spreadsheets. And our top tech tip for travel: use AI-powered apps like Spotify and Netflix. Use algorithms to recommend content based on your preferences. Perfect for long flights or downtime in your hotel. For example, Spotify curates a travel vibes playlist, or Netflix suggests movies that match the culture of your destination. It's like having an entertainment concierge. Pro tip: pre-download playlists, podcasts, or shows before your trip. Spotty Wi-Fi can't ruin your vibe if you're already prepared. And if you're traveling as a group, create shared playlists for everyone to enjoy. Challenge: content availability may vary by region. Use a VPN to access your favorite shows or music. And don't forget to explore local content to immerse yourself in the culture. AI makes sure your downtime feels just as curated as your itinerary. And, as promised, our bonus tip: jet lag doesn't stand a chance with AI apps like Timeshifter. These tools create personalized schedules for light exposure, caffeine intake, and sleep, helping your body adjust faster. For example, heading from New York City to Tokyo, Timeshifter might suggest a coffee at 2 p.m. and a nap at 4 p.m. to reset your internal clock. Plus, it'll remind you when to skip that tempting in-flight wine. Pro tip: pair Timeshifter with a smartwatch that tracks your sleep. The extra data can fine-tune your recovery plan. And if you're prone to jet lag, consider starting your schedule adjustments a day or two before departure. Challenge: following the schedule can be tricky. Plan your travel days to align with your jet lag strategy. Consistency is key, so stick to the recommendations for the best results. AI ensures you hit the ground running, no matter the time zone. There you have it, 7 ways AI can keep you productive while traveling, plus that bonus tip to conquer jet lag. Which tip are you excited to try first? Do you have a secret AI productivity tool or hack? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech tips for travelers. This is Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. See you in the next video.